and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we're going to talk about this mechanism. This is a rune smart screen. It displays 4 columns with 10 different runes. The players need to choose the correct rune in the correct place to solve the puzzle. As you can see in the beginning, we have an output and I can take off the magnet. Instead of a magnet, you can connect lights, relays, or anything else you'd like. You can change the output states via program. If you don't know how to do it, check out my software video where I cover everything about it. You can modify all the sounds except the ones of the smart screen. In other words, all the sounds in the SD card can be modified, but not the small beeps of the smart screen. Lastly, you can modify the rune sequence as many times as you wish. If you don't know how to do it, check out my hardware video where I cover everything about the controllers. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site custom builds, automations, mechanisms, and equipment for your escape room, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time.